Today's walk is only about 3 miles from where I live. It's in the little village of Llanrhaeadr and Nghinmeirch, better known locally as just Llanrhaeadr. The Llan part of the name refers to a parish church, or a church dedicated to a particular saint. In this case, it's both, as St Dyfnog is the local parish church, and our walk will take us through the grounds of this ancient place. But as we're passing, why not take a quick look inside? As you can see, the church is nothing special. It's a pleasant space, typical of many country parish churches. But it is famous locally for its impressive Jesse window. Now, a Jesse window, in case you didn't know, is one that depicts the family tree of Christ. This particular window was transposed here from the Basingstoke Abbey in the 1500s. It is said that this ancient window was removed for safety and hidden in 1645 to prevent its destruction by Oliver Cromwell's army during the Civil War. But happily, it was dug out and replaced in 1661. To find Dyfnog's holy well, however, we will have to look a bit further than inside the church. We need to make our way through the ancient churchyard, replete with gravestones, ancient and modern, and head towards the wood behind the church. We go through this gateway and over the first of a series of miniature stone arches. Then we simply follow the stream. As I walked, the sun was filtering through the trees, making beautiful patterns of light and shade on the ground below. And nature's treasures were hidden everywhere, waiting to be found. You don't see these very often around here. These huge tree vines wouldn't disgrace an Amazon forest. Another tiny stone bridge.
When my kids were small, we used to bring them here a lot, and they called the place the Fairy Bridges. And there it is, St Dyfnog's well.
It's hard to believe now, but this was one of the most famous healing wells in Wales in its day, attracting huge crowds of pilgrims. This pool was once lined with marble and flanked by small buildings and statues. The waters were said to cure everything from arthritis to the pox. The Rhaeadr part in the name Llanrhaeadr refers to a waterfall which once gushed down here to feed the well. These days, the now diverted water supply enters through the ground here. The well, now full of rubble, still carries the crystal clear water. And discharges it beneath another tiny stone bridge below. I must admit that having seen the present state of the well, I feared for the future of this wonderful place. Some days later, when I was editing this video, I saw a report in the local newspaper that the well is to be closed for renovation. So hopefully it will be here for many years to come.